Hey, welcome! In today's video I'm bringing you another special painting. This one is very special to me because I'm going to show you the diamond painting kit that I like the most from Picmondoo's collection. I had planned for it to go under the Christmas tree and to open it with the kids on Christmas Eve, but as you can see, I just couldn't wait. So let's get started. The painting is called Apple Girl Ruby and it's huge. Actually 50 by 75 centimeters with full square diamonds. And since it's so big, I try to unroll it just enough to pick out the diamonds. To fully open it, I'll first need to clear the little Christmas decorations from my table. And I've almost got the diamonds out. This is my 6th Picmondoo painting, and how should I put it? I'm no longer surprised by the huge bag of diamonds. This one even has actually weight to it. I absolutely love this color combination, but before I open it and show it up close, here's the usual toolkit that comes with every set along with a little paper sheet. It shows a small preview of the painting with the basic details underneath, like the size 50 by 75 centimeters and the fact that it contains 58 colors. And of course, next to it is the symbol code list. This time the labels are stickers, which means they can be easily placed on the diamond painting containers or bags. It makes kitting up take half the time, at least for me. Here are the Picmondoo symbols as well. At first they felt a bit unusual, but by now I'm completely used to them because they are very clear and easy to read. Now let's take a look at what's inside in the basic toolkit. I somehow managed to open it, and here it is. The diamond painting tray, the pen, 2 heart-shaped wax pieces, a multiplacer tip and the grip for the pen. Now it's time for the huge bag of diamonds. I know this painting fits more into the autumn category, not just because of the apple, but because of the overall color combination. As expected, almost every shade of brown is here, but there's no shortage of yellow, red and green tones either. These are all soft and warm colors, my absolute favorites. And of course, I can already see there will be some special drills too, like this metallic one, plus 2 fairy dust colors and 2 AB colors. So these are all the beautiful colorful diamonds that I'll need to place onto this canvas to create a gorgeous painting. And pa-bam, here is the canvas. If you haven't tried Picmondoo kits yet, strange, right? It felt strange to me at first too. Honestly, it didn't look like any diamond painting canvas I've ever worked with. At first glance, it seems unclear how the final painting will turn out, but let me reassure you, the finished piece will look absolutely beautiful. How can I be so sure? Because I'm about to finish one of my big canvases from Picmondoo. I only have one section left, then I will record the video and upload it to my channel. So if you are curious, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, there is a slight difference between the symbol printed on the canvas and the color of the diamond that goes on top. Not in the sense of a red symbol with a yellow diamond, it's just a slight variation in tone. These actually help a lot because it keeps the canvas clear and easy to read, and I don't mix up the letters or symbols. Another thing I just realized, Picmondoo uses symbols that allow you to work on the canvas even upside down. For me, this is a big plus because I don't like folding or rolling my canvases. I'd rather rotate them and work from the side or upside down. What I'm really curious about with this painting is how the lady's face will turn out. I haven't found many companies whose canvases make human skin look natural, so this will be something new to explore. One thing I forgot to mention, and it's very important, the canvas is extremely soft and velvety, the edges are beautifully finished, and the adhesive is perfect since it's pure glue. I also love the cover sheet, it's thick and great quality. But as the saying goes, I will believe it when I see it. So I can guarantee that I'll be back soon with this painting, of course with the completed version. I plan to work on it during the Christmas holidays, so stay with me if you want to see the final result. Until then, I'm preparing quite a few more videos, hopefully I manage to finish them. You can find the link to this magical diamond painting kit in the video description. So my holiday relaxation is already secured. I hope yours will be too. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you a wonderful day. This was Bricky. Bye.